Would you please elaborate on that topic?
My specialization is not in teaching because I have worked with Department of Genetics. I have realized that genes play a major role in everything we do and in our existence. So I realized that genetics is very important for education as well.
So that's your main research topic?
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
Let's move on to the questions, ma'am. How can genetic profiling be ethically and effectively used to tailor learning experiences for Indian classrooms?
Okay. So first of all, I'm going to read notes from my cell phone because I am a little sick and my memory is a little blurry. So I hope it won't be an issue with anyone. Genetic profiling gives us a way to better understand the cognitive architecture of each learner.
Okay.
Certain genes impact how we absorb, retain, and process information. For example, variations in the COMT gene influence working memory and decision-making speed.
Okay.
The DRD4 and DAT1 genes affect attention span and reward sensitivity.
Okay.
Meanwhile, BDNF helps regulate how we form new memories.
Oh.
These traits do not predict intelligence, but they do suggest how a student may respond to stress, instruction, and environment.
Okay.
Used ethically, genetic profiling helps educators move from general teaching to precision learning.
Okay.
A student with slow processing traits may benefit from additional wait time during discussions. A child with low dopamine deficiency may need high frequency feedback and rewards to stay motivated.
Okay.
But the ethics are non-negotiable for sure. Like Meenakshi discussed, AI platforms like Amazon SageMaker or Vertex AI can then translate these genetic signals into actionable insights for teachers, suggesting optimal lesson formats, pacing, and even classroom seating strategies.
So it can help analyze actually. And
exactly.
ma'am, I would like to ask you one last question. What infrastructure and training would Indian schools need to implement DNA-based personalization?
For infrastructure, we'll need AI-compatible learning management systems, which is huge, which will take us a lot of time.
Yeah.
And we'll have to integrate genetic learning. We'll have to have genetic counselors in the schools.
Okay.
And we'll have to make our teachers understand basic insights of how genes work when it comes to mind and not body, essentially.
Okay. So they have to get trained.
Teachers need to learn how genetics work.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pakhi.